Hi guys. Hello everyone. My name is Terry. I travel part-time here in my 2500 round ProMaster, and I am about to venture out on a long road trip, possibly a month or two, and I am bringing along my dad. He requested to take a trip, so I am happy to take him out. I'm not sure if my dad camped before, but I'm gonna ask him that. To see if he has camped before, but if he haven't, this is going to be exciting. I get to show him some things and stuff like that, you know. So yeah, so let's head on out. It's still early in the morning, guys, so I'm like oh, I haven't had my coffee yet, so I'm gonna have my coffee, but I'll see you guys at our first stop.
Look like good pieces.
Since then, they've maintained that. So doorbell to the right. See. There's a dessert table with a fabulous fake Mary Lincoln cake, white. Anyway, the cake plate.
Oh.
That are holding up our fabulous fake Mary Lincoln cake. Those are next. Well, more. As we head in here,
Oh wow.
to the back hallway, where Abe wins the wallpaper argument. No wallpaper because no one sees it except family. Save some money. The first room is Tad and Willie's room. Their big brother goes to college. Tad and Willie are like 7 and 9. They take over the little ugly brown marbles. That's what the archaeologists do.
It's the maid room.
Come on now. I'm sorry.
Oh, no, you're fine.
I mean, they have the technology, but it was expensive. Why put in concrete when this is so cheap?
Good morning, guys. We are here at Bennett Springs State Park, and only stay here for the night. We're about to head out and go to the next location, so I won't be doing a park tour here, but I could just show you the area of where we are right now. I could show you my site, and I could show you how close the other sites are. So let's get to it because I got to hit the road. This is an electric site here, and then this is my site here, and I am in site 313. It's a pretty good site. Look at Miss Sassy. We have a picnic table as usual, fire pit, pole for your lantern. I like this area here. Let me back up. Sorry, I'm all over the place with this video, but I like this site here. So you can put your chairs out. You don't have to put, you know, worry about the bugs in the grass. It's really cool. I really like that site. Say hi, Dad. Can you hear me? Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi to the people.
Boy,
Then we have your electric here. Okay. And this is the site. It's really beautiful. I'm gonna take a walk over here. And this is another site. Like I say, they're close, but not really close. So let's walk over here. I'm still in the season in the area where there's not a lot of campers, so that is cool. This is site 309. It slopes down. It's a beautiful site for relaxing. But yet, if you do these sites over here, please watch your children. Because, whoo, I mean, look at that. Look at that drop. Okay, here we are at the bathhouse. This is the toilet area. I'm gonna make sure no one's in there first. Alright, there's not. This is the bath area. Which is cool. Okay, let's go check out the showers. Shower house is around the corner. Look at the information here. Camp post right there. Oh. Take a quick peek, and this is just a quick shower. There's a little bench there. That's it. Camp away. Across from the bathhouse, you have your playground area and more campsites. We have a ride to Fantastic Caverns. Take my dad on this little tour. I like this one because you get to ride around in a little buggy here. You don't have to walk, so this is pretty cool. See you guys inside. Watch your head, Dad.
All right, another low spot, very, very low. Watch those heads.
I should have worn my rain jacket.
All right, guys, well, all right, driver's side, we're gonna come real close to this formation here, so watch those elbows. All right, guys, right here on the left, right-hand side of the Jeep, you can see where those 12 young girls wrote their name on the wall of our cave, February 27th, 1867. Passenger side, I've got a low-hanging rock here jutting out, so watch your heads. It's directly over your head right now, hon. Right above you. Just a little guy. All right. Watch your head on the mouth of the cave right here. One final time.
Get your head down, Daddy.
There you go. Enjoy.
Everybody, I hope you guys can hear me. I hope you guys can hear me. We are at Lake Charleston State Park here in Arkansas. Beautiful, beautiful. We booked one night, and when I say we, I'm meaning me and my dad. I have him out for a month. He requested that I bring him out, as I stated in the previous video. So we are at site number 40. It is a water site, but the water is a little low here. But that's okay, because you walk around that way, the water is a little bit better. So Sassy and I is going to go for a walk, but before I do, I'm going to show you this site here. Let me turn it around. We have a picnic table, the usual, a barbecue grill. Oh, that's nice. I just realized that I didn't pay attention to that. A fire pit and a pole for your lantern. And over here, we have your dump, your sewer, electrical, and the water. Okay. I don't have a travel trailer, so I don't know what that is. But if you do, they have that for water. Okay. Long site. Look at all these beautiful water sites. All these beautiful water sites. The water is far back. Now you can see how bad the water is dried up. I will do a drive-through tour at the end of this video, so stick around and watch that. I'll let you see the whole park area so you can plan your next camping experience here at Lake Charleston in Arkansas. It's really nice. Think about it, off season, guys, it's the best time. The trees here smell so good. It smells like cedar, but they could be pine. Because I see pine cones, so I'm thinking they're pine. It smells so good. Oh, wow. They have several restrooms, a large parking lot for day use, a playground that's under construction. It's almost done. It'll be ready, it looks like, when the kids get out of school for summer camping. There's another rest area over there. There's a shelter over there that you could reserve. A pavilion, sorry, not shelter, pavilion. Lots of trash cans around the parking lot. Beach area. No pets on the beach, so I cannot walk any further. I probably could because there's no one there, but I won't. I'm gonna respect that. Nature center here. Volleyball. Kayak rentals. Another park area down there, as well as another restroom area. More picnic tables and barbecue grills.
Look at it. Just that. Film that.
I got it. I don't got it on my phone.
That's
a baby.
That's a good bite. Hey, that's a good piece of eat on. Eat, what they call it, eat. Oh, it is. You don't throw these back. Shit.
My weight might be too heavy. Look at that fish jumping. Little bitty ones. That's beautiful. There's those fish you caught. They're jumping in the water.
you.